Okay, so let's do in class number 6, number 2. It says find the partial derivative of z with respect to s when t is 1, s is minus 2, z is this function here, x squared y plus 2y, x is this function of s and t, 2s t plus t, s squared, and y is s over t. So to do this, we're going to use a chain rule. So by chain rule, we have then partial z respect to s will be fx times partial x respect to s plus fy partial y with respect to s. Okay, so we need to figure out these things. So note here, fx, so the partial derivative with respect to x, so y is the constant, so it will be 2xy, and derivative of 2y with respect to x will be 0, so it's done. Okay, fy, here's my y, sorry, here's my function here, so with respect to y would be x squared plus 2. Okay, so let's find partial x respect to respect to s. So here's my x guy here. So taking derivative with respect to s be 2t, and this will be 2s. And lastly, partial y respect to s. Here's my y right here. Derivative with respect to s will just be 1 over t. Okay, so making those substitutions over here to my chain rule, we'll have fx, which is 2xy, times partial x with respect to s, which is 2t plus 2s, 2t plus 2s, plus fy, which is x squared plus 2, times partial y with respect to s, which is 1 over t. Okay, so we have to find this now when t is 1 and s is minus 2. So let's keep going here. Move this here. Okay, so now, I recall, since you can't see it now, but the x, which is written over here, is 2st plus s squared, and y is equal to s over t. So when t is 1 and s is minus 2, we have, so the x will be 2 times s, but s now is minus 2, times t, which is 1, plus s squared, so minus 2 squared. So again, I'm putting this here and here. I'm putting 1 in place of t here. Doing the same with the y over here, so putting the s there, putting the 1 there. Y equals, so s is, so be minus 2 over 1. This is minus 2. The top one, actually, that's going to be negative 4. That's positive 4, so it's 0. Okay? So now, so again, we'll plug into our partial z respect to s. So it's this 2xy times 2t plus 2s plus x squared plus 2 times 1 over t. Okay, so the y value is minus 2. The x value is 0. The t value is 1, so right here, t is 1. S is minus 2, so 1 goes here, minus 2 goes here, 0 for x goes here, t, 1 goes here. Okay, so making those substitutions, 2 times x, which is 0, times y, which is minus 2, times 2 times 1 plus 2 times minus 2, plus then x squared, x is 0, so it'll be 0 squared, plus 2 plus 1 over t, t is 1. Okay? So then simplifying this, well, this guy is 0 here. And at the end, it's just going to become 2. So 2 is our answer. Okay, so that completes the question.